Very good. Okay.
This one. This one. This operation also. No.
Click on. Sudden. I have said sudden. Okay, let me again define. Sudden blockage. Yes, yeah, this one. This one. Yeah.
Okay.
Oil and clean shell. Okay. We will come back here. Now I will consider
0.5, okay, because so many components are there in one. It's not one valve. You have two shutdown valve, MOVs.
yes, you
Any blockage.
Any blockage,
Yes, yeah, yeah,
okay.
So 0.5.
From 3.3 pipe network, while 4.1 is not operational. I will make a rule set here. Team has decided will be
And so all CRS reply also.
otherwise, you know,
No, man. And no.
no.
You're
Enough pipe here.
Oh man.
As then
Only
everybody
one
will ask, whom you discuss, whenever you are writing no man, then that whom you discuss. There was no man you will discuss.
No man means many people. Huh? Okay, what is safeguard here? Say, for example, all of a sudden, my 3.3 is blocked. How do I know? Any alarm? Any pressure alarm high?
Yes, it in ASAP.
But pressure alarm high will not help you because you do not get a response time.
Exactly.
from operator to work.
The alarm is
none. Then I would say none, right?
set point of that ASAP is higher than the.
yes, it's higher, and the alarm will not help because there is no time.
This is the same three.
Set point is 63 only.
This is the same three.
Yes. I was expecting that.
Because and if you go for 5 here, if you go for 5 here, this will still fall. But I will not go for 5.
5, put 5.
Ah,
Ideally, it will be 5. That's what I feel.
This will be still 4.
Yeah.
True.
Not be resolved. Still 4.
No, sir.
Or no, 20 resolved with 5. Means
4 means you have to close down the system. In oil and gas industry.
I'm happy with that. So the operation cannot operate.
I will undo it.
Only one line.